Hi all, this is Ben from elegant.menu. In this short video I will talk about how you can create your restaurant menu easily with this application. So after you create an account or login, you come to your profile page, which is what you see right now on your screen. Now from here you can add business information, for example the name of your restaurant, the phone number, the address, and all. So let's do like here you can upload your logo. So the logo should be less than 1 megabyte. So here you can add the restaurant name. Now you choose the currency based on your country, and then your phone number, your address, and all the details. And lastly, you can add a short description about the values and how you prepare dishes, etc., and why people should trust you. So at the end you press save changes and all the data will be saved. You need to see this green toast message. So it indicates that your menu is saved successfully. Immediately after you create your account, you can download QR code because we use user's ID, so it's not important if you have a name for business or not. This QR code will be the same forever for your account. Then in the second section, you have the option to create your menu. So first, you can add your categories. So right now, as of 13th April 2024, we don't have any feature to rearrange the categories. So here you need to be careful to add the categories by the order that you need them. For example, this is let's say second category, and then third, like this. Okay, so after you add categories, you can like one very important thing: when you see this save menu button blinking, it means that you have unsaved changes. So you need to be careful when you see this blinking button. You need to save your changes. Okay, so I press save menu and it saves successfully. Now, when you wanna add the dishes to your menu, you press this button here and it will open that category. So in the category, you can add your food menu items. So for example, here I say pasta, and then I add some ingredients or description. So whatever you choose, whatever you add here will be displayed under the food item name. So let's say pasta and tomato paste, something like this. And then you choose a price, let's say like 8. And then you can have a discounted price if you like. You can add this one. And then you can upload a photo. So we recommend square aspect ratio for your photos, and please also keep them less than 1 megabyte. In this part you can choose the allergens, because nowadays in European countries there are laws that indicate that you need to display allergens, because a lot of people have food allergies and it's safer for them to see these allergens in the menu. So I believe for pasta the only allergen is wheat, which is gluten. Then at the end you press the add food item and the food item will be added here. So again, when you add the item, you see this button is blinking, so you need to press this. Obviously you can make a lot of changes and press this button once. Then you can like close this one and go to other and add items also, like to other categories. In the category, like when the categories are open, you have the option to rearrange the food items like with drag and drop, like this. So we will add this feature also to categories, but right now we don't have it. So after you rearrange the categories, again save menu. So I think that's it. It is, as you can see, super easy. And then obviously you can download the menu, the QR code, and then you can print and place the QR code on your tables so people can scan and see the menus. One last important thing is that we use caching to improve the performance of the loading of the menu. So after you make any changes to the menu, they will be displayed on the menu page after 10 or 15 minutes. This is a mechanism to improve the loading speed of the menu. So that's all. Thanks for using Elegant Menu. I hope you enjoy working with this application.